This video tutorial I will cover getGreatestMinimum and getLeastMaximum methods of calendar class. Here I have defined a class calendar demo. Here I have created calendar object. Then I am calling getGreatestMinimum method of calendar object and passing the calendar field as year. This method returns highest minimum value for the given calendar field. Then I am calling getLeastMaximum method of calendar object and passing the calendar field as year. This method returns lowest maximum value for the given calendar field.